Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make AI backed video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open up your browser and then you have to search for this website ai.nvidia.io, and after that you're going to open this website and you can generate a video with AI feature in this website, and you have to give a topic, language, and detailed instruction right here. I'm just going to paste the command or the prompt I have just created guys. I have created a prompt. I'm going to create a video about the fact of the process of the rainbow, and I have created the command, this one, and I'm going to click on generate the video. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment until the video has been generated with the AI. Okay, and now the video has been created guys, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result.
If your rainy day looks like a painter's palette, you're seeing a rainbow. Let's uncover the science behind it. All right, picture this.
Okay, and if you are not satisfied with the video, you can give the AI a command to edit the video, but I'm just going to use this video. And if you want to download the video, click on the download button. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose stock watermarks because I'm not a premium user. And for the branding, I'm just going to select normal, and for the quality, I'm going to choose this one, and we're going to click on continue, and the video is saved to our device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create AI backed video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.